Hi, it's George again from eimports4Less, here today filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us this morning. This one will be available on the website within the next day or two. What we've got here is a 2020 Volvo. This is a V60 cross-country all-wheel drive wagon. Let's take a quick walk around here, tell you a little bit about it. Again, it's a 2020. This car's got 8,000 miles on it. You can see the exterior color is Volvo's traditional gray. And you can tell this one is a cross-country from really across the parking lot. You can see the exterior body treatment here, the fender flares, the different bumpers. So let's take a quick walk around. Again, gray exterior on this one. The interior, and this is a saddle brown color, which we'll take a look at here in a second. It's got an ivory color stitching on there, which is a really good look. So, excellent condition overall, nothing to talk about condition-wise. It's a 2020 car, so current model year, you know exactly what it should look like. Let's take a look at this interior. Now this one does have the climate package with front and rear heated seats and a heated steering wheel. Also has premium audio. You can see here we've got navigation. Let's see, yep. So the nav is active. It's got a backup camera, of course, and then all of the typical calling cards here for Volvo. Safety is #1. So lane assist, collision alert, all of that stuff. And again, you can see a breakdown of the full window sticker on our website at eimports.com. But really nice clean interior, nothing to talk about here condition-wise. So same here with the back seat. They do a good job of using black carpets in here, so it's easy to care for. Panoramic moonroof, basically the size of the roof. Really nice, clean overall condition. So let's take another look at the exterior here. So again, 2020, 8,000 miles on it, gray car, saddle interior. If you have any questions about this one, you can give a call here to the dealership at 215-249-9100. Again, 2020 gray car, saddle interior. You can check it out at eimports.com. That's where you'll find all of the options. Thanks for checking it out.